Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and also I'm going to show you some base stuff that we can find inside, like a charging brick, cable, earphones, if there is something interesting in the package. And also, if you are interested in the A9, I have also second video on my channel, so you can take a look on it. So let's start a quick overview of the box. So that's how it looks from the front. On the back we can find this sticker with the base information, two seals on this side and on this side. And when you take a look right here, we can actually find the base information about the storage. It looks like there is the charging brick, serial number, and that's it. So let's go to the seals. Let's cut it off. Okay, let's go for the second seal. There we go, and now we can take it off. Okay, so that's the package. That's how the device looks. It comes with this black color, I guess. It feels like it's made out of the aluminum. And on the device we can find right here on the right edge the power button, the volume buttons, and on the front you can find the selfie camera. On the left side we can find some pins, and right here we can find also the SIM tray. At the bottom we can find the double speakers right here, the USB-C port, and that's also the headphone jack. That's quite cool. And at the top we can also find speakers, so we can find 4 speakers on this device. So let's power on this device. Let's see if we can turn it on. Okay, it's turning on. And let's take a look for the other package. So as you can see right here, you can find the USB-C cable. That's the double USB-C cable in the white color, and it looks like it's around 1 meter length. Yeah, that's the paperwork, nothing interesting, so I don't even gonna take a look at it. And here you can find the SIM tool, and that's basically it. There's nothing more. Yeah, that's all with the box accessories. So now, if you are interested in this short tutorials like how to change wallpaper, ringtone, or other stuff, for sure I'm gonna record on my channel, so you can just take a look on it. I'm gonna also record video about the best features and also the short comparison with the Tab A9. So right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.